Hello guys, today we will be making stir-fry noodles. First, get some egg noodles and add some oil to it. But before that, add your egg noodles into some boiling water. After, add a tablespoon of salt and let it boil. Next, chop some vegetables which are onion, carrot, cabbage and some bell peppers or anything of your choice. Then chop some boneless. Time to make our sauce. These are the sauces that I'll use. You can use any sauce you want or use the ones that I use. I'm using Korean BBQ sauce, hot chili sauce, vinegar, and a chicken cube, as well as sweet chili Thai sauce, soy sauce, lemon juice, and ketchup. These are optional. After you added them to your bowl, you should mix them all together. Mixy mixy. Now add oil to a separate pan with your chopped garlics that you chopped earlier and your chopped boneless chicken, which hopefully you haven't chopped your fingers. Hopefully. Time to stir. Stirring. I think stirring is your best friend today. Stirring.
Stir, stir, stir time.
Is anyone else bored of just stirring and stirring? After you're done stirring, add your handy dandy pepper and salt. And stir again. Time to check on our egg noodles. They're looking very good. What type of noodles do you like? The chicken is sizzling so much. Now you should add your veggies that you have chopped earlier. Time to mix it again. Mixing. The stirring process is very long, and if your hands get tired, then call for help. Usually, little sisters or brothers are very, very good at it. Remember the sauce that we made earlier? Well, now is your time to add it. Yay! Now add your sesame seeds, not the characters from Sesame Street. Totally funny, right? Time to stir again. It's looking very, very yummy. I want to eat it. Add your egg noodles. Haven't been talking about too much egg noodles now. Now serve with love. And subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to save some for tomorrow. Bye.